Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start understanding smart contracts with Ethereum easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start understanding smart contracts with Ethereum, first, familiarize yourself with blockchain technology. Blockchain is a decentralized and distributed ledger that securely records transactions. Next, learn about Ethereum, which is a platform that enables the creation of smart contracts and decentralized applications. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. To begin, set up a digital wallet to store your Ethereum. Popular wallets include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. Once your wallet is set up, purchase some Ethereum through a cryptocurrency exchange. Coinbase and Binance are popular platforms for buying Ethereum. After acquiring Ethereum, install a development environment to write smart contracts. Truffle Suite and Remix IDE are two common tools for smart contract development. With your environment ready, look into the Solidity programming language. Solidity is the primary language used for writing smart contracts on the Ethereum platform. Start with simple examples to grasp the basic syntax and structure of Solidity code. Write a Hello World smart contract to become familiar with the coding process. Once you understand the basics, explore more complex functionalities, like state variables and functions. After coding your smart contract, it's time to compile it using your development environment. Compiling will check your code for errors and prepare it for deployment. Now, connect your wallet to the Ethereum network. You can use a test network like Ropson or Rinkby to avoid spending real ETH while testing. Deploy your smart contract to the test network for free. Once deployed, interact with the contract through transactions to see how it functions. Monitor the transaction on the blockchain using an explorer like Etherscan. Exploring existing smart contracts can deepen your understanding of various applications. Study how decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols and NFT marketplaces utilize smart contracts. Continue experimenting and coding your own smart contracts as you gain confidence. Most importantly, stay updated with the Ethereum community through forums and courses. Engaging with others will enhance your learning experience and keep you informed on best practices. As you progress, consider exploring more advanced topics like gas optimization and security best practices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.